My name's Kaylin. Hi. I'm gonna be doing this Ratchet video. By yourself. So just give me a second. Oh my god, you were looking at the house like that. It's doing to me. She is doing to me. OMG, what did she have on? She Ratchet! Her lace is all wrong because she Ratchet. Here's I'm gonna take this as a picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this on Twitter. Cause I ain't got confidence. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with those shoes on. Ooh, yeah, punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake. Girl, let me tell you where I got my missus. Girl, a baby boy, and a cherry little sister. Oh yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hate this. I made a little love sick. No, she is gone. How do you keep it? I'm from here from this place. PGA, got this shot yesterday. Girl, these people this place, all be set up. Move, trail, it's the 15, I got my food. Yes, got a brand new pistol, brand new set, 29 stocks, but it is really plus tax. This day of our statement, never had this kind of luck. Thinking that you better than that, you know, what you need to do. Whatever, you are my number, 4, 5. Because, hey girl, you did try. That's good. And fine. OMG, what does she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. Excuse me. Okay, picture. Got it. We'll take this one up there. Cause I have confidence. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with those shoes on. Or is gonna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake. My name is Dina. I'm about my girlfriend, Charlie Flurry. In the back, because they have to do this stuff. Cause TJ is my future dirty dad. Sorry. I'm dirty pistol. Losing that's no pistol. That team dirty. We don't like the way I just within my picture. New Earth, hit me at my Facebook and follow me until I'm with his foot phone. If you don't shut up, this team shut up. I'm a team man. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, if he hit this, what you saying? Just please. What does she have on? Her legs is all wrong. People, I'm gonna take this picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this on clip. I got confidence. I'm too slow. Boy, bye. I'm not with those shoes on. Ooh, what if I punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake. This game. Boy, bye.